Hello, we welcome you to Menalize TV. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.
I welcome you once again to Menalize TV, and this time around we are looking at volume, area and volume of shapes, and today we are looking at cube, how to find the total surface area of a cube as well as finding the volume of a cube. Now when you look at the cube is having 6 faces. So first we are going to draw the net of the cube and look at the faces that we have. So looking at the cube, this is the net of the cube. So looking at this net, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Now, so for us to find the total surface area of these faces, first we have to find the area of this, the area of this, area of this, area of this, area of this, and then the area of this to know what? The total surface area. Now, when you look at it, all the sides are equal, or all the squares are what? Equal. So, to find the area of a square, we need the length and another length, which means the area is equal to length times length. Now, when you look at the net is having 6 faces, or the cube is having 6 faces, as you can see with the net. Now, if one area is giving us length times length, what of the other areas? So looking at this, it's having 6 faces. That means that if one area is equal to length square, then the 6th area will be 6 length square. That is the total surface area of the cube. So let's continue from here. So now, assuming this cube, the length is equal to 8 centimeters. So if the length is 8 centimeters, one area is going to give us length times the length. So our length is 8 centimeters there. So one area is going to give us 8 centimeters times another 8 centimeters. So 8 times 8 will give us 64 centimeters square. That is for one square box if the length is 8 centimeters. So for us to find the area of all the sets, it means we have to multiply this by 6. So the total surface area is going to be 6 length square. So that will give us 6 times the length square, 64 centimeters square. And when you multiply this, we are going to get 384 centimeters square as the total surface area of this cube. When you find the net or you develop it, this is the net that you get. So one area here is giving us 64 centimeters square, 64 centimeters square, this one to 64 centimeters square, this one to 64 centimeters square, this will also give us 64 centimeters square, and this also giving us 64 centimeters square as well. So when you add the 64, 64, 64, the 6 of them, you are going to get 384 centimeters square as the total surface area of this cube if the length is 8 centimeters. Now let's come to volume. The volume V is equal to the length times the length times the length. So we can say that if the length is equal to 8 centimeters, so the volume length cube, which is length times length times length. So we can have 8 centimeters or cube. So this is going to give us 512 centimeters cube as the volume of a cube if the length is 8 centimeters. Remember to subscribe to the channel Menalize TV for more updates.